Harry's back once again, friends, live and in color, right here at the Kubota place from Greeneville. Stopped in here to look at this little Ford tractor they got sitting over here for sale. Pretty good looking little tractor. Looks like it may have had a little rough treatment from time to time. Front end loader tractors tend to be used and abused. It's got some modifications at Wooden Factory. It's got looks like a homemade fuel cap, a few odds and ends. It ain't exactly right, but it's all still there and a pretty decent looking little machine. It'd still be a good little tractor to have out on the farm at the house for the right price. This morning. What's the price on that fine unit?
$13,900.
$13,900. Good looking little tractor. Regional Arizona.
As far as I know.
That's my brand.